what is English language. There are only 3 steps in English language. Those 3 steps already we discussed, So what are those? How we work English language? My dear friends, in English language, only 3 steps we are going to follow. English, where we talk about information, means we describe something. English, where we talk about possessions, means we talk about what we have, what we had, and what we shall have. And English, where we can talk about action. Yes, my dear friends, we already discussed about these things, and I'm sure if you have listened, if you have watched all the videos, you might have understood the structure of English language and the sense of the time and where to use which verb form and where to use which tense. And I'm sure you might have cleared all the doubts. And if the doubts are there, post in the comment box. Again, we will prepare videos on your doubts. We will come in front of you, my dear friends. My dear friends, as we have been discussing about all these tenses and all the grammar, I'm sure you people are in the position to speak. But what stops you? What stops you? Only one thing is going to stop you, and that is your action. Yes, action. So from when you are going to take action? At what time you are going to take action? Have you decided anything about taking action? Yes, you might have decided. Some people might have decided. And most of the people or most of the viewers might be thinking about the time, perfect person, perfect situation, perfect day or perfect month or after lockdown when their friends will come and meet them. But my dear friend, you can improve at your home also. One thing just you have been doing, and that is listening. Now what is remain? Just only one thing is there. Just execute, speak. Now your answer is what? Nobody is there to speak. Our friends are not there. So with whom we should talk? So very simple technique is there. You have your smartphone. Yes, you have your smartphones in your hand. Just on those smartphones, start to speak. Record yourself, whatever you are speaking. And I'm sure when you record, listen and watch carefully where exactly the mistakes you have been committing. And this technique can help you immensely, my friends. Yes, this technique can help you immensely, and you can develop your communication skills, you can develop your language, you can develop your courage, because speaking in camera, it's a challenge. And without courage, without dare, we cannot speak in camera. And why don't we use our social media handles for the proper things or for the useful things? Most of the time on Facebook, just we are going to have that some hanky-panky photographs and all, and just we start to count that how many likes I have got and how many dislikes I have got. Why don't you post your videos on Facebook, on your other social media accounts? Why don't you post your videos on WhatsApp to your friend and just demand or just ask them to give the comments? Post your videos, definitely. Post on our Facebook wall your videos. We will give the comments, and I'm sure you people can develop your communication skills or you can develop your speaking English. My dear friends, only one thing that stops us, that is taking action. So take the action. Don't give the excuses. These excuses really stops us from the development. So my suggestion to all of you, this is going to be the perfect technique. Just record yourself, put your all the videos on your Facebook wall, or just post to your friends through the WhatsApp and all these social media handles, and I'm sure you people are going to really develop your language, you are going to boost up your confidence, you are going to really dominate, and you people will become habituated with all these kinds of the things, and only one thing can develop, that is a habit. That is a habit. So make habit and really develop. And when you can generate the habit, when you can develop the habit, when you maintain this activity continue, in past or before some years, most of the teachers, most of the seniors used to give suggestions about developing communication skills, about developing our courage, that go in front of the mirror and speak. But now that your phone is available, your real friend is available, that smartphone can play the role of that mirror, and that too in a more effective manner. In mirror you cannot rewind. In mirror you cannot remember what you spoke and all. But here, each and every word, each and every movement, each and every expression can be recorded. We can rewind it and just we can watch and we can improve ourselves. But many times this easy technique we don't follow. Many times this easy technique we never do, and most of the time we give a lot of excuses, and those excuses stop our development, my dear friends. So very simple technique is there. Stop the excuses, take the action and get the development. Let me repeat, stop the excuses, take the action and get the development. And yes, without speaking, without opening up your mouth, without communicating, without uttering the words, how we can expect that I can be fluent in that language? I'm sure we cannot be fluent without expressing, without opening our mouth, or without speaking with somebody. If somebody is not there, yes, your cell phone is there. That cell phone is in the form of the somebody, and I'm sure that your cell phone is the most loyal compared to your friend, compared to your brother, compared to your any company, because whatever you perform, whatever you speak, or whatever you do, the expressions or the gestures and the postures, all can be recorded, and definitely you can say afterwards, and you can develop, my dear friend. So very simple technique. Use your phone, record yourself, post on the videos, watch the videos and develop yourself. And that's what you are going to start from today itself. And that's the suggestion from me, my dear friends. Your smartphone can improve your language very well. For listening, you can use it. For recording, you can use it, and all the things are available in your smartphone only. Whatever you want to listen, that the content you have available on the YouTube channels. Whatever you want to read, different newspapers are there in your smartphone, and that's a very important role is there. That smartphone can be your real friend. Record your voice, record your speaking, and just watch later on, or that the post on the social media and that the WhatsApp and all these kind of the handles, and get the suggestions from your friends. And I'm sure your friends' suggestions are that whatever that people have been doing, that the criticism and that the appreciation, all these things can help you to develop yourself. So what stops you from taking the action? Get out your smartphone and start recording yourself and start putting your videos on the social media handles. Definitely it will improve your speaking English, it will improve your courage, it will improve your eye contact, it will improve your body language, and I'm sure you will get a lot of suggestions from your friends, and those suggestions can really make the change among all of us, my dear friends. So start recording now and just start uploading your videos. Best luck to all of you. See you in next video, my dear friends. Thank you. Thank you.